Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I'd like to show you how to use our 50-inch separating zippers. Let's talk first about how to prepare the separating zipper to use in a coat, such as the amazing Bella quilt coat. Follow the pattern instructions to mark the length needed for the size that you are making. Add 1 inch to that measurement and mark the length needed on the zipper, measuring from the end of the zipper tape at the insertion pin. Move the zipper slide several inches below the marked line. Then bring the teeth together in the middle and trim the zipper tape on the marked line. I prefer to use an old rotary cutter blade for this step as it keeps the zipper flat. To ensure that the zipper slide stays on the zipper in our finished coat, our next step is to finish each side of the top end of the zipper. Mark a line across each side of the tape 1 inch from the just trimmed end of the tape. Working with one side of the tape at a time, turn the tape on the top open end at a 90-degree angle. Fold the tape along the marked line to make a pleat in the zipper tape, allowing the zipper tape to extend slightly beyond the edge of the tape. Place a sewing clip at the top of the zipper tape to hold the fold in place. Repeat for the other side. Test to make sure that the pleats are even and that they mirror each other on each side. Adjust the pleats as needed. Then sew along the long edge of each side of the tape to hold each pleat in place. A ByAnnie stiletto and pressing tool will be very helpful to hold the pleat in place as you stitch. Trim any excess tape and teeth even with the side of the zipper tape, and your separating zipper is ready to install. Refer to the pattern for all the instructions. Let's talk next about how to attach the extra slide to the leftover zipper tape that you trimmed away. We'll start by taking a look at the zipper slide. It has a right side where the zipper pull is attached and a wrong side. If you look at the pull from the wrong side, you'll notice that it has a rounded end and a straight end. If you look at the rounded end from the top, you'll see that it has 2 channels. The straight end has just 1 channel. Since we are attaching the slide to cut tape, we are going to attach it from the rounded end, the end with 2 channels. Before we do that, let's prepare the zipper tape. Position the leftover zipper tape with its right side up, the teeth will be up, and the cut end at the top. Since we'll be attaching the slide from the rounded end, which has 2 channels, we need to have 2 pieces of zipper tape. Hold the zipper slide right side up with the rounded end facing the zipper, and the cut end at the top. Coming in at an angle, insert one side of the zipper tape into the corresponding channel of the zipper slide, going only about halfway into the slide. Pinch the zipper slide and zipper tape between the thumb and forefinger of the hand on that side and hold together firmly. Just let the zipper slide flop down toward the zipper. Then, using the other hand, bring the other side of the zipper tape at an angle about halfway into the other channel of the slide. Adjust the zipper tape to get the ends even and use your index finger to give the slide a tap or 2. You'll hear a click when the teeth connect. Then just gently pull down on the slide to close the zipper. Sew across the cut end to create a new stop, and your single slide zipper is ready to go. But what if you want to make this into a double slide zipper? That's super easy too. Cut off the stops on the other end of the zipper and grab another slide. Position it with its rounded end facing the cut end of the zipper. Just as before, open the zipper tape and insert the tape at an angle, about halfway into each channel of the slide. Before you pull the slide down onto the tape, though, let the end of the zipper tape fall between you and the table. Lean against the table to hold the zipper in place and pull it taut. Making sure that the tape is even on each side, pull down on the slide. Check to make sure that the zipper slides kiss in the middle without any bubbles in the zipper tape, adjusting if needed. And there you have it, a perfect double slide zipper ready to go for your next bag or other project. I hope you enjoyed learning more about ByAnnie's 50-inch separating zippers and how to use them. Be sure to ask for these awesome zippers at your local quilt shop or find them at ByAnnie.com. We are so excited to see how you will use these zippers, so be sure to share your pictures with us on social media. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @Patterns by Annie. Be sure, too, to enter our monthly photo contest for a chance to win $50 in ByAnnie credit. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stitching!